Here are my sunflowers in all their glory. This is when quite a few of them were in bloom all at the same time, so I had to get a picture. And here in the front, you'll see some sunflowers that I got the seeds from the Dollar Tree, and they didn't grow very tall. The ones behind the tall ones are burpee seeds that were supposed to grow 7 to 12 feet tall, and they grew quite tall. These, what you're looking at now, I've already cut off the blooms and just left the foliage. Back here in the back, you'll see there are some that didn't grow very tall, even though they were the burpee seeds. For whatever reason, some grew medium, some grew really small. Maybe I didn't water them as much as the others, I'm not really sure. Like this little tiny one right here. And then you had others that were medium. So overall, my opinion of growing sunflowers, for me personally, I don't think I would do it again because it was such a short bloom time. Even though the plants were magnificent and the flowers were stunning while they were in bloom, it was a lot of work for a short amount of bloom time. They would bloom and then go away quickly. They would dry up. And I didn't save the seeds. However, I did take a few flower heads and I have them hanging to dry so I can feed the birds in the winter. I'm just going to hang them on my arch and let the birds have at them. So that was my experience with sunflowers. I don't believe I would do it again. So have a nice day and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.